Hey there, science fans. Have you ever stopped to think about what powers your smartphone, laptop, or even your electric car? It's most likely a lithium-ion battery, also known as a Li-ion battery. These incredible energy storage devices are everywhere. They're small and lightweight, yet they pack a serious power punch. From powering our portable gadgets to driving the electric vehicle revolution, Li-ion batteries have become an indispensable part of our modern lives. So what makes these batteries so special? Let's take a peek inside. A Li-ion battery has three main parts: a positive electrode, cathode, a negative electrode, anode, and an electrolyte solution. Think of the electrodes like two teams on a basketball court, and the electrolyte is the court itself. When you charge the battery, lithium ions, like tiny players, move from the cathode to the anode through the electrolyte. When you plug in your phone to charge, you're sending those lithium ions back to the cathode, like players returning to their starting positions. This flow of ions creates the electrical current that powers your devices. Discharging is just the opposite. When you use your phone, the ions move back from the anode to the cathode, releasing energy along the way. Pretty neat, huh? Li-ion batteries are popular for a reason. They're much lighter than older rechargeable batteries, like nickel-cadmium NiCd batteries. This makes them perfect for portable electronics. They also hold their charge well, so your phone won't die after a few hours in your pocket. Plus, Li-ion batteries can handle lots of charge and discharge cycles. That means you can charge and use them many times before they wear out.